Welcome to DNA's Birding Adventures. We are at the rainforests in Puerto Rico, El Yunque and Rio Abajo in search of the Puerto Rican parrot. El Yunque is the only tropical rainforest in the National Forest System, 29,000 acres, the smallest, but also the most biodiverse. There are several entrances. This is the main entrance we took up to Mount Britain Tower and a few stops along the way. They've opened it up to all visitors, first come, first served, so get there early. And here we go. Nobody's behind us.
Tower.
Oh yeah, I see it. Listen to the birds. Right away you could hear the banana quits, and then when we got to the first tower, we could hear hummingbirds, but we couldn't see them. El Yunque! We made it to Yokahu Tower. It's really cool. It's raining in the rainforest. Hey, Mom. Every time we looked up towards El Yunque National Forest from our place where we were staying and San Juan, it was covered in rain clouds, and sure enough, it did the same today. We did have a few breaks. Going up there to the top of the Mount Britain, and it's like a mile walk through the rainforest. No complaining here. Britain Tower and El Yunque. I know. In the clouds.
Probably want to head back down.
peak. You can barely see it. Gone.
Oh, wait, there's more.
Here's the parking lot, not empty. Five or six different orchid plants, these little black butterflies flying around. And then these really pretty white ones. These are fern trees. And we're just heading off on this trail. We're trying to get lost. Instead of taking the trail back down, we went down this closed service road, so we didn't see anybody else. We actually saw the northern water thrush when we were at Cabezas de San Juan, and then we saw another one here. This one I'm pretty sure is the Louisiana, plus it was spotted there. It was a little bit darker than the northern thrush. You can see the Britain Tower way up there at the top. And we're heading this way. Just a few birds in El Yunque, maybe because of the rain or the amount of tourists. Next stop, Rio Abajo, one of 20 state forests on the island and home to where they're breeding and releasing the Puerto Rican parrots. We drove for about 5 miles until we came to a fenced area and then went in through the fenced area and walked another couple miles. Two little birds, there's a bird, flying around together. It was really impossible to take a picture. Wandering through Rio Abajo State Park, kind of in the middle of Puerto Rico. Walking in past the gate, saw a red-tailed hawk, I think, and another little black and white bird. Maybe it's the elfin. Didn't really get a picture. On the road, we were surprised to hear a northern cardinal and then saw this common ground dove. It's easy to recognize the banana quit's call. They are calling all over the island. We've also been seeing the gray kingbirds all over the island, but this was the first, a loggerhead Puerto Rican kingbird. It has a lot more dark on the head, and also saw a red-tailed hawk and a turkey vulture flying over. We walked all the way to another gate where it was definitely closed on this one. This is the entrance to the Puerto Rican Parrot Recovery Program. We didn't see or hear any, but I had memorized the call of the Puerto Rican tody, and we heard him. This is his call. Sure enough, we saw one right next to us. Didn't get a picture, but he was so cute. All the endemics in Puerto Rico, this is the one that I truly wanted to see. Yay! No Puerto Rican parrot, but we did get 2 different Lifebirds and 8 species altogether. Next stop, we're going to Arecibo in that area, to Cueva del Indio and the Camuy Caves for some new Lifebirds and for some sightseeing. Thanks for watching. Until next time, happy trails to you.